So where do you find affiliate products to promote? In this video, I'm going to quickly go through some affiliate networks that you can use to find affiliate products. The first one I'm going to show you here is Amazon, which I'm sure you're already familiar with. It's probably the most popular affiliate network out there for anyone looking to promote affiliate physical products. And the great thing about Amazon and of course other affiliate networks is that you don't get paid commissions for just the products that you promote. So if somebody clicked on your link to go purchase a camera, a $500 camera that you're advertising, let's say they purchased that, but then let's say a day later they go back to Amazon and they purchase another product. Well, because of the way their cookies work, you're going to get paid commissions on that other product as well. Basically, you're going to get paid for other products that customer purchases after going through your link. So even if it's a totally unrelated product, if it's within a certain time period, you'll still get paid commissions on all the other products that they purchase. Here's another great affiliate network. It's called Carousel, and a lot of popular brands are on here. Okay, and here's Rakuten Marketing, formerly called LinkShare, and again a lot of popular brands are on here. And let me just scroll down here. You can take a look at some of the brands that you can promote, such as Walmart. You can promote products from Walmart by signing up as an affiliate at Rakuten Marketing. Okay, there's also Sephora, let's see what else, Ray-Ban, and the list goes on. Here is another popular affiliate network, CJ, formerly called Commission Junction, and you'll find some good brands on here. And here is Impact Radius, where you'll find some popular brands such as Pet 360. And if there's a particular product that you want to promote but you can't find that, or you can't find their affiliate program on any of these networks, you can just go to Google and just type in the product or the company name and just type in affiliate program, and most likely you'll find an affiliate program for that product or the company. Now, if you want to focus on promoting digital products and courses, such as courses on how to lose weight or how to make money online, you could go to ClickBank. They have digital products on there that you can promote in a variety of different niches. A great affiliate network for internet marketing related products is jvzoo.com, and they do pay instant commissions through PayPal. Another great network for digital products in the internet marketing niche is Warrior Plus, and again they also pay instant commissions through PayPal.